Number 1. Cadillac Celestiq. Let's start with a car that rewrites the meaning of American luxury, the Cadillac Celestiq. This isn't mass-produced. Each one is hand-built like a tailored suit. Price? Over $300,000. But here's why. You get a roof made entirely of smart glass that changes tint on command, a full-width dashboard display, and 600 electric horsepower in total silence. The interior? Pure art. Crystal controls, hand-stitched leather, and every detail chosen by the owner. This is Cadillac telling Europe, we can do luxury better. Fully customizable, hand-built. Smart glass roof with adjustable tint. 600 horsepower dual-motor electric drive. Ultra-luxury interior with crystal and leather. From the Celestiq's whisper-quiet elegance, we go to a car that's the complete opposite. Loud, violent, and built for one thing: speed. Number 2. Hennessey Venom F5. Meet the American bullet, the Hennessey Venom F5. A Texas-built hypercar with 1,817 horsepower from a twin-turbo V8 they call Fury. Top speed target? Over 300 miles per hour. Only 24 will ever exist, and each one looks like it was designed in a wind tunnel on another planet. Where the Celestiq pampers you, the Venom F5 terrifies you, in the best way possible. 1,817 horsepower twin-turbo V8. 0 to 186 miles per hour in under 15 seconds. Target top speed over 300 miles per hour. Ultra-light carbon fiber body. But if you thought that was extreme, the next car might just look faster standing still. Number 3. SSC Tuatara. From Washington State comes the SSC Tuatara, a car that looks like it was stolen from a sci-fi movie set. It's designed to slice through air like a jet fighter, and under the rear glass is a 5.9-liter twin-turbo V8 making up to 1,750 horsepower. It's one of the most aerodynamic production cars ever built, with a drag coefficient of just 0.279. Only a few dozen exist. If the Venom F5 is America's raw power, the Tuatara is America's stealth weapon. 1,750 horsepower twin-turbo V8. Aerodynamic design with ultra-low drag. Lightweight carbon fiber structure. Production in extremely small numbers. By the way, tell me in the comments, which of these rare American legends would you take home if money was no object? Number 4. Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170. From stealth to street, this one's loud, unapologetic, and built for one thing: dominating the drag strip. The Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170 is the final, most powerful muscle car Dodge will ever build. Run it on E85 fuel, and you get a factory record 1,025 horsepower. Quarter mile? 8.91 seconds. Street legal. Compared to the Tuatara's precision aerodynamics, the Demon is all about raw, tire-shredding chaos. 1,025 horsepower on E85 fuel. Fastest quarter mile of any production car, 8.91 seconds. Street legal drag strip monster. Limited production farewell to the Challenger. But our last car proves that rarity isn't just about power, it's about history. Number 5. Ford GT Final Edition. The Ford GT Final Edition is a rolling tribute to one of America's greatest racing stories, Ford's 1966 Sierra Leonean Leon's Man's Victory. Every curve is sculpted from carbon fiber, every detail designed for performance. The twin-turbo V6 may only make 660 horsepower, but the GT isn't about brute force, it's about perfect balance and precision. While the Demon rules the drag strip, the GT owns the racetrack, and only a select few will ever own one. Lightweight carbon fiber monocoque, 660 horsepower twin-turbo V6, race-bred aerodynamics, and handling. So there they are, 5 of the rarest American cars on the planet. From the silent sophistication of the Celestiq to the tire-melting madness of the Demon, each one is a different flavor of American automotive greatness. Which one's your favorite? Drop it in the comments. I'm curious to see who's team luxury and who's team speed. This is 2050, and I'll see you in the next one.